From Los Angeles to a worldwide audience, this is Boaz Power TV, where we take your life to the next level. Now, internationally known speaker and author, here's Boaz.
Hi, welcome to the Power Show. You are part of the Power Nation, and I'm so glad you're here. Because here we help you to improve your attitude, your relationships, your finances, and your career as we take your life to the next level. This is episode number 194, Boaz Power TV, and I call this one The House on the Rock. As a professional speaker, I have the great privilege of traveling throughout the United States and Canada, other parts of the world, and seeing some of the most spectacular, unique sites that make up this country plus other locations. So about 3 or 4 years ago, I was on a speaking trip to central Wisconsin and was spending time at a resort there. And I visited an incredible attraction that has to be one of the most amazing secrets in the United States. It's called the House on the Rock. The House on the Rock in Wisconsin. So if you travel about 100 miles west of Milwaukee, on Interstate 94, you'll come to Madison, Wisconsin. Some 25 miles further to the west, on Highway 14, you'll turn left for a few minutes south on Highway 23 and arrive at the House on the Rock. You've simply got to go. You got to go to the House on the Rock. This was incredible. This is a miraculous house built high on top of a huge rock overlooking the rolling Wisconsin terrain. The house was the brainchild of Alex Jordan, an unassuming man who shunned publicity. He simply enjoyed seeing the reactions of visitors as they toured the house and its 16 connected buildings. I know. The house itself is a combination of fascinating rooms that were built on top of a large rock formation on a hill, thus the House on the Rock. You might have seen one of its rooms featured on a Discovery Channel documentary on unique homes. There's a gravity-defying infinity room that projects some 218 feet over the Wyoming Valley, with glass walls containing 3,264 windows. This extraordinary room is truly hanging in space. Now, it's like incredible. You've got to go there. When you go in this room, you feel like you're just in space, truly. Once you tour the house and experience the unique feeling of walking out into the infinity room, the rest of this architectural marvel begins to unravel as you walk through intriguing collections that occupy huge buildings that appear to be as big as football fields. I kid you not. Giant buildings. There are so many sights and sounds, many of which I had never seen before. There are amazing music machines, spectacular displays, including a whale that is longer than the Statue of Liberty, is tall, and the world's largest carousel. There are 3 of the world's largest pipe organs, a 56-foot-long cannon, the Streets of Yesterday exhibit, and hundreds of collections of weapons, armors, oriental artifacts, dollhouses, enormous automated music machines, and much more. Now, the question is, how does one man who was not wealthy when he began create such an amazing spectacle which now attracts some 500,000 visitors each year? This is a story of having a special dream, a creative vision, and of great determination. Alex Jordan, born March 3rd, 1914 in Madison, Wisconsin. As a youngster, he showed interest in architecture and entertainment. Those interests would later become his obsession. As noted in the book about Alex, it's called Alex Jordan, Architect of His Own Dream, written by Doug Moe, M-O-E. Quote, he had an amazing dexterity with his hands. As a boy, he lived next door to a house designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. He also had a love of electronic gadgets. He tried college for a year, pre-med courses, and found it wasn't for him. For a while, he drove a cab in Madison. He then took infrared pictures of people's homes and sold cheese on the college campus. Alex was looking for something special to do, a vision, a mission. Now, according to the Doug Moe book, when Alex Jordan was a boy, he would visit a grandmother who lived near Spring Green, and it was then, while exploring on foot, that he first came across Deer Shelter Rock. He returned as often as possible to picnic or to simply sit on soft summer days and gaze out toward the Baraboo Bluffs, which on a clear day can be seen some 30 miles in the distance from this perch on the rock. More and more visits led to the desire for Alex to build a unique and special house on the rock. It was in 1945 that he began construction on Deer Shelter Rock, standing 450 feet above the Wyoming Valley and measuring 70 feet by 200 feet across the top. There was no road at the time leading to the site. According to the book, Alex carried some of the first buckets of mortar and rock from the quarry below to the peak where he would begin building the house. Alex used his own money, which wasn't much at first, to finance his house on the rock. By the time the main house was completed, many people would come by and want to look. Alex, wanting to keep them away, he started charging 50 cents per person to tour the house. The crowds grew, now 500,000 a year, and attendance began to fuel Alex's purchases of unique items from around the world. You have got to see this amazing attraction to believe it. It is an incredible testament to the dream and determination of one man. As I've noted in this broadcast before, when the why is big enough, the how doesn't matter. Identify your exciting why, your passion, and take a small step toward it every day. The House on the Rock, 25 miles west of Madison. You'll thank me for suggesting you go see this. So, a dream affirmation for this episode of Boaz Power TV. You may want to write this down. I'm identifying an exciting why and taking action every day. I'm identifying an exciting why and taking action every day. Thank you for joining me. Please do me a favor. Forward this to 5 people you know, because many people love these messages around the world and suggest they also go to my website, boazpower.com, and subscribe to the free weekly broadcast of Boaz Power TV. Perhaps we can help them identify an exciting and important why in their lives. You are special, you are unique, you are destined for greatness. I see it in you. You are a champion. Have a powerful day.
This has been Boaz Power TV. To comment, see other episodes, or to subscribe to this free broadcast, go to our blog at boazpower.com. That's boazpower.com. We're here to take your life to the next level.